Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm diving deep into a topic that's rapidly transforming the world of enterprise resource planning: artificial intelligence. Is your ERP system truly intelligent? What if it could understand your questions, analyze your data, and even suggest actions? Well, that future is here, and I'll use the powerful AI assistant as our case study to see these concepts in action. In this video, I'm going to explore how AI is transforming the world of finance, and I'll use a powerful tool, the AI assistant, as our case study to see these concepts in action. I'll bridge the gap between cutting-edge AI, robust ERP systems like Frappe and erpnext, and the core business processes that drive your organization. I'll explore the why behind this innovation, the what it can do for you, and a glimpse into the how it all works behind the scenes, with a special focus on its incredible impact on accounting and finance. So, let's get started. For years, ERP systems have been the backbone of businesses. They store a massive amount of critical data. But let's be honest, navigating a single, complex document can be a challenge. Think about a long sales order or a detailed purchase invoice. You might find yourself scrolling endlessly, hunting for that one specific field. What's the total amount? Who was the customer? What are the payment terms? When is the delivery date? Answering these simple questions often requires you to manually scan through dozens of fields and tabs. This is where the AI assistant steps in as a game changer. It's not about replacing the ERP, it's about making the data inside your documents instantly accessible. So, what does the AI assistant actually do? Its core feature is contextual Q&A on a single document. Imagine you have a sales order open. Instead of manually searching for information, you can simply open the AI assistant and ask questions in plain English. What is the total amount of this order? Who is the customer and what is their contact info? List the items in this order. What is the delivery date? The AI assistant reads the data directly from the document you have open and gives you the precise answer instantly. It acts as an intelligent search layer for your documents. This is incredibly powerful for both new and experienced users. New users can find information without needing to learn the layout of every form, while experienced users can get the data they need faster than ever before. What's crucial here is its frappe/erpnext alignment. The AI assistant dynamically reads the structure of any doc type. It's also permission-aware, respecting Frappe's robust permission system, so users can only ask questions about documents they are authorized to see. Now, for those curious about what makes this intelligence tick, let's take a high-level look at the architecture. On the back end, we have the powerful, Python-based Frappe framework. When you ask a question, a whitelist Python method called chat once is triggered. This function calls another method, extract context, which dynamically reads the fields and values of the current document. This context and your question are then sent to a large language model via an API. On the front end, JavaScript is used to create the interactive chat panel you see within the Frappe forms. Most importantly, let's talk about security and data integrity. The AI assistant adheres to strict mandates. Permission checks: every action undergoes rigorous server-side permission checks. No hard-coding and real database data. The AI interacts directly with your live database. It uses Frappe's powerful and safe database query builders, like frappe.getList, frappe.qb, and parameterized frappe.db.sql queries to prevent SQL injection and ensure all insights are based on real-time, accurate data. So, what does all this mean for you? The AI assistant empowers accounting, finance, and general ERP users in profound ways. Facilitating financial reporting and analysis by providing quick access to data and summaries. Supporting data accuracy and consistency through easy data retrieval and verification. Assisting with routine tasks by quickly providing information needed for common operations. Informing decision-making by offering timely access to relevant data and insights. Looking ahead, the potential is immense. We can envision even more advanced predictive analytics, deeper integration with external data sources, highly personalized AI agents tailored for specific roles, and proactive anomaly detection and alerts, notifying you of potential issues before they become problems. In summary, the AI assistant is more than just a feature, it's a transformation. It evolves your ERP system from a mere data repository into an intelligent, proactive business partner. I encourage you to explore Frappe and erpnext, and join the vibrant community that's shaping the future of business software. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of ERP.